Are you having difficulty making decisions? Then worry no more. For you can now easily make decision tree on your mobile phone using this awesome tool called Getmind. To use this application, simply open it. Once it's launched, create a new file by tapping the plus icon. After that, you can select the theme to be used. You can do it by pressing this icon. Next is to place a topic or the decision you're planning to make, such as a car color. Now you can start adding nodes for the options that you have in mind. Just repeat the process until you're done. If you wish, you can modify your decision tree by altering the color of the lines, nodes, and texts. To save the file, just tap the 3 horizontal dots and then press save. And that's how you can make decision tree on your phone easily using Getmind. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.